it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel, Homemade Vintage. Today I have another thrift haul and yard sale haul to share with you guys. Some vintage farmhouse finds. Oh, and featuring, this is Jackson back here sleeping. Yeah, let's jump right into it. So the first piece I'm going to go ahead and show you because I don't have it here. It's hung up on the wall already. It is a wooden shelf that I found at Goodwill. I loved the color and then the scalloped kind of ruffled detail on top. I thought this would be a great way to display some of my smalls and little miniature figurines and salt and pepper shakers that I find because I do love to collect that kind of stuff. And I also liked the mirror in the back. It's kind of cloudy, has some patina, so it does seem like a vintage shelf to me, but I could be wrong, of course. It was only $6.99, so I thought that was a really good find. So the next piece is actually one of two. I found these wooden wall sconces. I have been on the hunt for something similar to this for a while, and I finally found them. I think these are great because of how skinny they are, and then this little like curved detail here. I just think they're much nicer than the standard like wooden ones you see everyone have. But I needed these for my fireplace because the brick is painted white. We rent this house and the brick is kind of like built into the corner of the fireplace. It's painted white and it needs like some wood to break everything up. So I have one of each on each side of the little brick panels, whatever. Anyways, they were $1.99 a piece, so I thought these were a great find. And I do like that it has this mirror, this little mirror portion right here. So, finally found some good wall sconces. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the yard sale items. I only have a couple from this one yard sale where everything was, or she charged me $1 for every item that I found. So I picked up a flower frog. I do not own any glass flower frogs. I prefer the spiky ones, which I have one of here in my home, but I see these at antique stores a lot, and I thought for $1 I'm gonna grab it. It does have a chip or a crack on the inside, but it's kind of deep in there. There's only like a little surface chip right here, but for $1 these are much higher at antique malls and places like that. So I grabbed that. Then I got this little pewter piece that I thought was cute. I didn't notice till I got it home that it has a little dent in it right here, but that's fine. I figured I'm just gonna use it for like tiered tray decor or shelf decor. I don't know if this was for syrup or creamer. What do you guys think? But I do like the handle right there. And then there are some markings on the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that at all, but it says ATC and then, oh, Hanley, H-A-N-L-E. Okay, so yeah, $1 for that as well. And I thought this was cute. I'm not sure if this is for a doll or an actual plant riser, but I'm probably going to use it for a plant riser or shelf decor. It does unscrew and get taller, but I just like the wood. It says made in Taiwan on the bottom. And I was drawn to this green color. This is either a recipe box or just a card file box. She used it for a recipe box though. I'll try to insert a clip of me showing you a few of the recipes she has in here because there's a ton of them. And she has a lot of them laminated with little clippings of recipes. I just think it's so fun to look through them. Pudding cheese pie. That sounds like something I would never want to try, but maybe it's good. Has anyone here had pudding cheese pie before? Tuna olive quiche. I like tuna and I like olives, but I don't even know what a quiche is. I don't think I've ever had a quiche. This is just a really lovely color. And then the last thing I grabbed at the yard sale was this measuring tape. And I got this to use for clothing that I resell on Poshmark, like vintage nightgowns and stuff, because I do not own one. And when I was checking out, she said her uncle, I think she said in the 60s, used to work for this Warren Sewell company, and he used this exact one to measure men for suits. And I thought that was freaking awesome. So I may just use it for decor. I don't know, I don't want to mess it up. So moving on to some thrift store pieces. I have this really cute Fire King jadeite bowl that I found for $2 at a thrift store. And this thrift store has an antique section, so I'm surprised they didn't have this over there. Maybe the Fire Kings are different than like other jadeite pieces. I don't have much knowledge, but I do love jadeite pieces. So yeah, of course I picked that up for $2. I just have it displayed in my kitchen on the windowsill with some baby's breath hanging out of it, and I think it looks so pretty for summer. So in my last yard sale haul, it was just like a yard sale auction haul. I showed you this little piece, and I think I mentioned how I wanted to find a globe to go on top of it. So I found one. Does this not look so cute like this? I just need to find a candle to melt to the bottom that'll stick up about halfway through it. But this little piece was 75% off of $1.50. So I was happy to find a little friend for this guy. That was a weird way to say it. I found this amazing little basket at Goodwill for $1.99, and I've never seen one like this with the handle. It's similar to these little candle holders that I like a lot. Like I have another one right here that I'll show you. This was 99 cents at Goodwill. I don't know why, I just love this design. I think it's so cute. So I couldn't leave this behind. I don't need this basket. I don't even know how I'm going to display it, but I'll find a way because I think it's really great. I found this basket at Goodwill, but I lost the price tag. It just has their little marking right here. I think it was maybe $1.99, but I thought this would look cute maybe maybe around Easter or spring with some eggs in it. With eggs in it. I may spray paint it black or just leave it white because there's kind of some, not rusting, but because there's some places where the paint is chipping off, and I do like that look. And then I liked the handles as well. It's kind of this like spring design or detail. So yeah, I just thought that was cute. It's like chicken wire, so I'll probably just put eggs in that. I got this piece to probably make over another Easter piece. This was $1.99, but I do remember that it was 75% off, or else I would not have paid $1.99 for this. It's originally from Hobby Lobby. They ripped the price off, but I do like the colors. It's that kind of like vintage, shabby chic style. But like I said, I'll probably just remake this to a more farmhouse style for some in the kitchen maybe. I found this faux plant at Goodwill for $1.99. I kind of don't like this basket, but I think it's fine this way because the plant covers it up for the most part. But I just thought this would be a good filler piece for shelves, like in the back somewhere. Like these shelves behind me are really deep, so you need a lot of stuff to fill up the shelf. So I thought this would be a good piece for that. Unfortunately, I feel like fall is right around the corner, and I keep buying things that are more geared towards summer, and I need to slow down on that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you these canisters that I found. There is a large one and then a smaller one. This one says coffee on it, and once again, I love the green color. They need to be clean. There's like sticker residue, and it looks... This one was missing the handle, but I think I'm gonna use this piece by itself like this in the kitchen. I might put some utensils in it. I don't have a crock, so until I find one, I might use this. And I paid $3.93 for the two of them together. This one says flour on the front. So this does need to be cleaned. I have not used it yet, but I found this at Goodwill. The price fell off, but it was $4.99. There it is. $4.99, and I loved the mint color. It's metal. I just thought it was really cool. I don't have one like this. We have like a plastic white one, so I'm probably going to get rid of that one and switch to this one once I give it a nice clean. I just love this mint color. I thought it was really pretty. This is just a little piece that I grabbed 75% off or 50% off. It was $2.99 originally. I guess this means like South Hollywood. But I thought this was a good base for a trash to treasure makeover using my Cricut or some paint. I did find another plant riser. I'm assuming that's what this is. It's like got these cute little legs. I'm not sure if I'm gonna remake this or make this over the way it is or just unscrew the legs and use them for a project. But I thought it was too good to pass up. It was $1.99. I finally came across this Better Homes and Garden book. I see tons of people haul these as well as just decorate with them for the summertime. And I love, love, love the graphics. So I finally found one. I think this was $1.50, so that's a great price. Yeah, I just love the illustrations, especially this part right here. I think that's so beautiful. Yeah, I was really thrilled to finally get one of these. I have two more books. These were $2 a piece at this. Actually, they were $1 a piece because red was 50% off. I just thought the cover was really pretty, like the color. It says, "My Friend Flicka." And then this one says The Little Minister. This one's a lot older. It is falling apart. It always happens to me. I find books that I like so much and they're falling apart, but it's hard for me to leave them behind when they're this cool looking, so just these two alone look so good together. But this piece I absolutely love. I think it's so pretty. I don't know if it's just me or if everyone else is gonna like it as well. I paid either 50% off of this or $75, but the original price was $4, so regardless, I paid $2 or less. It is hand painted. It's like a little oil painting, signed on the bottom, and she has her card stapled to the back. I put this in my bedroom because I have sort of that blue color as an accent color in there. And I just love those flowers. I think it's adorable. I found these two little brass animal figurines. This is a rabbit. I think the bottom says made in Korea. It was $2. Something about brass I can't pass up. I love brass figurines, brass mirrors, frames. I just like brass. And then these little row of ducks I thought were cute as well. These were $3. So I might put these out in the springtime next year, if we have a spring next year. I think the Lord's coming soon, y'all. Anyways, next I picked up an oil lamp. I liked the clear bottom, and it was missing the glow, but I do not care. I kind of want to leave it open like this. It was $4, which is a good price for an oil lamp because at antique stores they are much higher. I just thought it was really nice for shelf decor. Some more glass jars. These are another thing that I'm constantly picking up, even if I don't need them. This one, I liked how, I think I have one similar to this, but a little bigger. This was 99 cents. And I liked how big the opening was. And then I like the shape of this one as well. It was also 99 cents. Hope you guys can see good. And then this is actually a glass baby bottle by Dr. Brown's, which obviously they still make baby bottles now. So I don't know if this is vintage or what, but I think that's pretty cool. It has the little measurements right here. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see any of this. I paid 50 cents for this one. I found a cute wooden spoon for 25 cents. It was half off. And I just thought that was really cute. And then these great scissors. I thought these would be fun to decorate with. These were, I'm pretty sure orange was 75% off and then yellow was 50% off. So I got this one, if that's correct. These were $1. It says Acme USA on the back. And I thought these were a fun little decor piece. This next item is not marked, but it is another gravy boat. I don't need a gravy boat. I have one in my collection and I think that's enough. But this one was 50 cents and I really liked the shape right here. I just thought it was cool. It was a lot skinnier than most of them and, you know, just kind of like a mini size. Kind of reminds me of Aladdin, but I thought that was cool, so I grabbed that for 50 cents. And then I have this Homer Laughlin piece. I think this is a creamer. This was $2. Thought that was cool. And then it says Homer Laughlin on the bottom. And then I got another Homer Laughlin piece. I actually got this from Misty. Her YouTube is Thrifter Drunker Vintage Hunter. Yeah, I got this on her Instagram live sale. I don't have any like these, and I really want some bigger ones as well. So this one is also Homer Laughlin. So both of these pieces kind of go together. And then the last item is this cheese box. It says Delicious American Cheese Company, Seville, Ohio. I don't know if I said Seville right, but Seville, Ohio. I don't know. But I thought it was cool. And then it has this little metal handle, and then it's wooden right here. I paid $3 for this. I actually got this today. And I thought this is going to look really cute with some stuff stacked in it. So I couldn't leave that behind. So that is everything I have to share with you for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. As always, be sure to comment down below what your favorite item was and give this video a like if you did like it, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!